Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to another update video. I just wanted to drop this video to recap what went on during the week. I think the last time I reported to you guys, I was at 27,000. We had a bit of a pullback, and now the market is rallying. So there is a couple things to look forward to going forward. Next week will be the rate cut decision by the Fed. I believe that's on Thursday. So the market will respond to that. We'll see if the Fed decide to cut. A lot of people are speculating that they will. It's just a matter of how much do they cut by. I know now we're currently at 6%. Let's see if they cut by 20.25 or by 0.75. I heard those two numbers around, but we will wait and see for that. But in anticipation of that, the market has been rallying. So that's why we got that increase. So NVIDIA went back up. I think the last time I did this, NVIDIA was in the 160s area. So NVIDIA, just in a matter of weeks, is back to 177. And this contract is almost back to 500%, which is great for your money. And, I do want to sell this. And I mentioned this the last video, that I want to sell this between the range of 185 to 200. I had 3 of these contracts, and it just makes sense to hold the last one to the end. So, I already ate most of the meat off the bone with the other 2 contracts. But so for this one, I am going to let it ride. So I do want to give plans for this. And then the recent additions, Solana has been on a tear. My average cost for Solana is 168.82, and I have 25 Solana coins. And this position in a span of, when did I buy Solana? And this is all the staking rewards. That's the good thing about it, is that I'm earning some money while I hold. I bought this in August 1st, and we are in like September 12, 13 today. So in a span of a month and a week, we are up 40%. The stock market is, the buy and holding is undefeated in the stock market, especially when you're holding quality companies, quality coins. A lot of my positions aren't memes or highly speculative. I am messing with money, and I do want to make sure that my money is growing and my money is in a healthy environment. So in a span of a month and a couple weeks, we are up 40% on this position. It's always the notion, man, I wish I had more, but I'm glad that I have skin in the game working. So I do plan on holding this position for 5 years out. So 2030, we will see where Solana is. Hopefully it's not at this price. And I'm hoping for, and this is based on the research that I've done, for $1,000 Solana. That's my bullish case. My base case is 6 to 800 is my base case, and also my bearish case for Solana is 3 to 400. So even in our bearish case, we Bitcoin will lead the way, but I do think the top 5 cryptos will follow, and that is ETH is in that, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, which is ADA. And then we are in XRP. XRP has been consolidating. To be frank with you, XRP is one of those coins where it always is innovating. Ripple, the company that's on top of this coin, they're always innovating. They're always pushing forward, and this coin just gets a lot of buzz and a lot of news, and that's what I love about XRP. It has utility, and it's still for me, and this is of course not financial advice, a great buy at $3 because I'm not looking to sell it anytime soon. Mind you, this is my second position in XRP. I have another position somewhere else, and in my Coinbase account, and I am not looking to sell XRP anytime soon. This is a long-term hold for me. Maybe not as long as Solana. This is maybe going to be a 2 to 3 year position for me, but I want to accumulate as much as I can at the $3, because I know eventually, bearing no bad news, bearing no disruption, that the $6 is right there, and then inevitably the $12, the $15 will 5x, 3x my money. So this is my most active position now, especially in the $3 range. I'm going to buy as much as I can at this price point. And I'm glad I built a base at 295, 294. And I know that's not the best. But like I said, this is my second position in it. The other position I have it at 56 cents, which I believe, and I have near 10,000 coins. So for this one, it's almost the same amount of money, but because I got it early on the other position, I was able to get almost 10,000. But this one, I only have 1,100 coins, which is okay. Because we're holding for the long term, and growth is growth. So I did want to mention that. And then AMD. So this position up 50%, still 82 coins at 104. AMD does have earnings next month, and then I believe, next month will probably be the last one. So I am going to be looking at some call options. Hopefully we get some type of pullback where I can load the boat on some call options to capitalize on that earnings run up. And I may get some out to your close for that end of year rally. So that's my plans on that. And hopefully I can get a decent enough dip where I could close this loop. Every time I look at this position, it feels incomplete because I don't have 100 shares. And of course I want to complete that position because I feel like, I accomplished it. But the seeing it at 158, meaning that, I just can't buy that 158 yet. I may want to load the boat at around like the 140, the 130 hopefully. But that's where I'm looking to load the boat at. All right, guys. So this is my position. I did hit 30K on Friday, and then, things went back down again, but it's all good. I'm not selling anything. I'm just adding money, and we will see where I am in 2030. And hopefully you guys will be here with me on this journey. All right, guys, take care, and I will catch you guys on Monday.